Is Siri not working on the lock screen of your iPhone? This issue can prevent you from using Siri when your phone is locked, and it may be due to settings or a major glitch. Let's go through the steps to fix it and get Siri working properly on your lock screen again. Let's get started. Verify internet connection. Open a browser and go to fast.com to check your internet speed. If your connection is slow, enable airplane mode. Wait a few seconds, then disable it. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. After that, try saying "Hey Siri" again. Solution 1. Enable Siri from Accessibility. Open Settings, scroll down, tap Accessibility, scroll down, tap Siri, scroll down. Enable Always Lister for Siri. Solution 2. Check Siri settings. Open Settings, scroll down, tap Siri, toggle on Allow Siri when locked. If already enabled, toggle it off. Wait a moment, then toggle it back on. Solution 3. Re-enable Hey Siri. Open Settings, tap Siri, tap Talk to Siri. Turn off Talk to Siri if it's turned on. Wait a moment, then tap on Hey Siri. Follow the prompts to retrain Siri to recognize your voice. Solution 4. Check for iOS updates. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, then select Software Update. If an update is available, just install it. By following these steps, Siri should start working on your lock screen. If the video proved to be useful, smash that like button, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you real soon. Thanks for watching.